What's up, guys? Today we are making these chicken lettuce cups using a wok again. If you guys want to know what I use for the stir fry sauce, go to my first time using a wok beef and broccoli recipe, but let's get into this one. So we're going to start by chopping up our water chestnuts, and you can chop them up how small you want. And then we're going to chop up a green bell pepper, and then we're going to use a red bell pepper, and then mushrooms. And then we're going to cut up our onion and then chop our chicken. So it's a lot of chopping. Once you're done, you're going to heat up your wok. And once your wok is heated up, we're going to cook the chicken until it's completely cooked through like this. And then we're going to take our bell peppers and our onions, and we're going to cook those for 5 minutes in the wok. After those have been cooking for 5 minutes, they should look like this. And we're going to add our water chestnuts, our mushrooms, and our minced garlic and cook that for another 2 minutes. And then we're going to put our stir fry sauce in, start from the outside so that it caramelizes it, mix it up a little bit, and then add in the chicken and mix that up until it's heated completely through. Once it's done, we're just going to take the wok off the heat, but you can still leave all the fillings in there. Grab your butter lettuce, and then we're going to fill our butter lettuce with the chicken mixture. And then you can do this. This is completely optional, but I added a Thai chili sauce on top of it just to drizzle and give it a little extra flavor. But this was really quick to make, and it was really, really tasty. And it is a part of our Hard 40. So if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.